Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me. Now today I'm doing a little bit of a different video today. Now I wanted to share with you the brand new release that just came out from the LDRS Creative Shop. There were so many awesome items in this June release that I wanted to share them with you. And I'll link everything down below in the description area in case you guys want to check it out. But this release is, well, they always have fantastic releases, but this one's super special. But starting off, I'm going to move my coffee out of the way here. Okay, this one here is called Deal With It. And it's a 4x4 stamp set. Super cute. And oh my goodness, look at those little pickles with the sunglasses. So adorable. One of my first projects made with the new release will probably be with this stamp set. I think it's just so cute. But you get the little label that says pickles. You get sentiments that say deal with it. I relish our friendship and heard you're in a pickle. And you get some little pickles too that you can fill up your jar with. But isn't that so cute? This little guy has a little swirly mustache. I just love that. So that's one of the new release items for June. And then also new at the LDRS Creative Shop are some Polka Doodles that are new. Now these guys you're going to fall in love with because I sure did. They are so cute. This one here is called Spot On. And oh, we get some fluffy little clouds, which are so dainty and pretty. You get a birdie with a tree branch, an extra tree branch, and some few birdies. You get a little flower here. Look at this little guy peeking out. Now, they're actually bigger than what they are on the front. You can see the scale here, but look how big they are. But they'll fit perfectly on an A2 size card base. So cute. This little guy's peeking out, which is just adorable. Sentiments here say, hope your special day is on the spot and sending a little love. So that's one of the new Polka Doodles. And then also is this cute little guy. Oh my goodness. This one is called Very Great Day. And you can see the size of him. If you love to color, I think you'll love these. But you even have the little bear here. There's some little itty bitty bumblebees. The honey pot with the spoon. You get the little acorn with the little fall leaf, the tree branches. But isn't he so cute? Sentiments in here say have a very special day. And then this one here says love you very much with a little kiss on the side, little X. So these are both new to the shop and they are so sweet. Looking forward to creating with those. Now also new to the shop are 3 new rubber stamp sets here, and these are adorable. So this one here is called Thank You. Oh my goodness, and this is great for seam building, and I am looking so forward because everything is separate, including the little grassy hill that you see here, along with the fence, the tree. Look at the little dancing you there. Sentiments say I count you twice. And it goes with when I count my blessings, so it'll say I count you twice. You get wishing you every happiness. You are very sheepiated. Oh my goodness. So grateful to you and thank you. And you can see how fully packed this one is. You get the tree. This is the little hill. The little extra blade of grass here along with the fence. Moon and stars and shooting stars. Just adorable. This one's called Thank You. And then also there is a Whale Wishes stamp set, which is so sweet. You get 2 little whales with happy faces on there. You can get a mustache if you prefer to add a little mustache to your guy. You get a little band-aid, a school of fish. You get the lighthouse and the anchor. You get the little rainbow with the clouds and the little raindrops coming down. So sweet. Sentiments in here say sending you tons of love and lots of well wishes. Just love that. Everything will be alright. Keep your fin up. Get well soon. Sorry you're under the weather. Whaley bad day. I'm here for you. I think this is great, especially if you need some get well cards. I think this is whimsical and fun. You even get the little water stamped image here. You can see down here is the water, so you can layer it with different colors. So fully loaded. I just love this one. And then you get the Stinkin' Amazing stamp. so cute. You get little skunks that are, you get 2 of these guys, and they're separated so they could be holding a heart or even a flower if you wanted to. You get the florals, the tree, you also get the cloud, the sun, you get the larger little skunk here. But isn't it so cute? My goodness, sentiments in here say, I stinkin' love you, adorable, cute. You are stinking amazing, which is cute. And then what I think is so cute is you get this little piece here. Now they're separated, so, but all of them together would be a great stamp for the back of your cards. It says handmade with lots of love, just for you. But you can see here on the back, well, the warning sign is covering it. But you can see here they're separated. So you could just use lots of love for a sentiment, which is great. So this is a very versatile stamp set. A lot of fun sentiments that you could create and customize. So that's new to the shop too. So these are the 3 new rubber stamps here. And then we have one more stamp set, and this one is a big one. This one here is called Happy Everything, and it is so adorable. You get this cute little cart that you can turn into an ice cream cart. Oh my goodness. You get a balloon, you get the little cake, you get the banner, which is adorable. Sentiments in here say happy, and then you can customize. You put everything, or Mother's Day, Father's Day. You even get a little tie here, which is so cute. Cupcake, you can turn this into an ice cream stand or a cupcake stand or a flower stand too. You get the little flowers, and you get the wheels. But the wheels are nice too, because when you stamp them, they could be lemons or limes, which is great. You get the presents, and they are so adorable. It's time to celebrate. Hope you have a very happy day, which is so sweet. So this is new to the LDRS Creative Shop too. It's part of the June release. Looking forward to playing with that. Now also, part of the new release, there are some new dies. Now these dies were so pretty. This one here is called In a Cloudy Sky, and you get 2 clouds along with the little raindrops here. Now these are so pretty because there's stitch detail in here. I actually die cut them out to show you. With In the Cloudy Sky, this is what it looks like, and I'm hoping the camera will pick up that stitched line detail. But isn't that so pretty? I love fancy clouds. And then you get the 3 little raindrops too. So pretty. So that's what this one looks like. Great for scene building. Next is Here Comes the Sun. The sun is so sweet, and you can have different sizes of suns with the center. Then you get the cute little happy face, and I put one together, all of them layered, to show you how 3D it looks. I'm going to show you. I layered each one of the layers. I'm trying to get the little happy face on there, because the happy face is cute. I hope you can see how cute that is. But that makes a fantastic 3D sun. Great for scene building. So cute. So that is the Here Comes the Sun die set. It's a 4-piece set. And then next is the rainbow bits. If you love rainbows, you're going to love this because it comes with the outline. And the outline's a little bit bigger when you put the layers, which are separated, which is nice. So you could use colored cardstock, pattern paper. You could use your inks to color in the rainbow, and I did use my inks to color in the rainbow, and this is what it looks like. I did a quick job, and I just used my mini ink cubes to go over them, but there's stitch detail on here too. If you were to do ink blending, I think that you could see this stitch detail a little bit better, but you can see it leaves a little bit of a white border, and that is your rainbow. This is a 6-piece die set, which is just adorable. Okay. Now next, there are some brand new border dies to the shop, and these are so cute, especially this one. Well, they're all super cute, but this one's probably my favorite because it's called By the Sea, and it is a beautiful wave border. And then these little extra pieces don't die cut, but they leave a stitch detail. You can see here. Well, I die cut it out for you. I want to show you. and I'm hoping the camera will pick it up, but you can see the beautiful, isn't that just gorgeous? I think that is stunning. I love this. This is probably one of my favorites, but I love this to create waves for your background, especially if you wanted to add that with your whale wishes. I think that would be so pretty. So this is new. It's by the sea. Next up we have At the Beach. Now this is amazing because you get the little sandcastle, and then this die, well, let me show you. It has little dots in there that look just like sand. I'm hoping, I can't zoom in too much because it'll go fuzzy, but can you see the little dot detail that looks just like sand? So if you wanted to do your shading over there with your ink, my goodness, it would just make those little sand pop. Now this one actually cuts out. You can see here, so you could do layering. I'm going to show you the back of the package. See how it could layer. So cute. And then you have your little sandcastle. When I die cut it out, I left the little door in the houses, but they pop out. But you could put the sandcastle anywhere. I thought that was so cute. So that's the At the Beach. Just think that's adorable. Okay, next up, if you are looking for some grassy dies, these are wonderful. And I love how long they are. You get two hilly ones and then one straight one. The 3-piece set, and I die cut it out for you. So this is what they look like. So nice and fluffy grass. I layered this one over the next one to show you could do some layering. I just put some foam tape behind it. And then this is your straight edge. Great for scene building. I think this is going to be one of my favorites also. I love scene building, and I think this is going to be fantastic. So this is called In the Grass. And then last but not least, another border die. It's called Little Pink Houses. I think that's a John Mellencamp song, and I love that song. So it's called Little Pink Houses. And I die cut this one out to show you what it looks like. Now, isn't this the cutest? The doors on here and on here open up. Oh my goodness. The little shutters on this house, I'm going to show you, open up. So this is the sweetest. And it will fit a landscape or a portrait. And you can cut the houses off to customize your little project. So this is another sweet little die set. And on the back, of course, is some inspiration. You can see how they layered over the hills. So cute. This one had some inspiration too. I'm trying not to get too close so it doesn't get blurry. But isn't that sweet? So those are 4 new border dies. My goodness, super fun. Okay, and then last but not least, there's 2 new die sets. This is the Scalloped rectangle frame set. Now this set is fully loaded, and it of course fits your A2 size card beautifully. And I didn't die cut this to show you, but on the back side it shows you all the dies that are included. There's 8 pieces in this set. You get a large one, and when you layer them together you can create fantastic frames, and I love creating frames on cards. So you could put this frame in here, or the scallop frame in here, or you could put this in here and create a real thin frame. You get the ovals, and then the decorative sentiment banners here. But isn't that cute? Love this. I'll be using these a lot in my projects. And they're dainty because there's little holes that will pop out of this frame. There's stitch lines on this one. And this is the Scalloped rectangle frame set. So this is brand new to the shop. And then you get the practically oval. This is just gorgeous. And of course, again, this one will fit on your A2 size card front. You get a beautiful scallop, and you can see how they layer all together. You even get a cute little tag, which is adorable. You get the scallop oval. Let's flip it over to show you the back of them. So these are all the dies that are in here that are layerable, or you can create frames with it, which are fantastic. This one here actually has detail on there, dotted detail, which is great. This one has little holes. You get stitch lines on the scallop, and you get dotted holes or dotted detail on the inside piece of the tag. So these are new too. So keep a lookout, guys. So this is all the new release for June at the LDRS Creative Shop. Tons and tons, and I'm so looking forward to playing with it. Keep a lookout. All July, I'll be at least once a week, I'll be creating projects using some of the new items from the shop. But I wanted to share that with you. Again, links will be down below, guys, in case you're interested in anything that I showed you today as part of the June release. Lots and lots. So I encourage you to check it out, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wish you a fantastic day, fantastic rest of the week, or beginning of the week. But thank you so much for joining me. We will see you again real soon, guys. Bye-bye.